سڵاتان لەبێ خوێندکارانی خۆشەویستم حەزم کرد لە ڤیدیۆیە باسی یەکێک لە پرسیارەکانی پارابۆلە بکەم. In this video I want to talk about the first example of parabolas. In the parabola we have two variables x and y. One of them is power 1 and the other is power 2. يعني in the parabola we have two variables x and y. احتمال هي x power 1 ب y square به. If you have the variables of x by power 1 then it's x-axis يعني it's horizontal. اگر y که power 1 بو او y axis يا جماعات اگر درتان لو به كواتك كمان power 1 يك بو axis كمان او x بيت يعني y اگر x power يك بو x axis اگر y power يك بو y axis باش بالنسبة لم example لم example أنا كالسر general form كنين general form يعني standard form parabola we have two brackets the first one is square and the second one is power 1 square for left always and power 1 for right always and we have 4p سلام equation بيوستي بخين سر standard form كواتا convert to standard form so شون أبيت x square كان للي left side بمنوا أم number لقل أم variable بنبو right side أبيتها minus 8y plus 12 so coefficient x power 1 كا 4 كا divided 2 power 2 again أبيتها 2 power 2 is equal to 4 أنجا أدي again بو equation كا add for the equation by positive and negative so then x square plus 4x plus 4 for first always and minus 4 is equal to negative 8y plus 12 so أما number كامل بقودي بيتا negative 8y 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 أما كيما do bracket x for first and for second first is positive second is positive 2 times 2 so it's equal to x plus 2 by power 2 and is equal ليرج negative 8 factor again with y 8 times which number 8 times 2 is equal to 16 because it is positive so it must be this one is negative because time negative times negative is positive so just search standard for me x minus h by power 2 4p y minus k so 4p is equal to negative 8p is equal to negative 2 and la parabola you have 4 elements the first one is vertex is equal to h and k h و k choose by different sign because it is positive 2 so h is equal to negative 2 and this one is negative 2 so k is equal to positive 2 and another elements you have focus because it is y-axis because y is power 1 y power 1 x power 2 like y k change a bit the x axis ده h change a bit كاتالين h change نابي k change a bit p so then negative 2 h k comma 2 k plus p is equal to negative 2 so is equal to negative 2 and 0 directrix we have directrix for y-axis y is directrix y related by k minus p so is equal to k يعني 2 minus p يعني minus 2 is equal to 4 and the axis always is inverse because you have a y-axis so x is equal to h it means is equal to negative 2 so أجد ما نجرافة كيف بكيفني يستا سحب أجد ما minus 1 minus 2 3 and negative 4. 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Negative 1, negative 2 and negative 3 and negative 4. So negative 2 with 2, the first one, and negative 2 and 0, the second one, and directly x is equal to 4, y equal to 4. So 1 2 3 4. The graph of y is horizontal line, and the so مش جرافي بارابولا كي أما جرافي بارابولا كمان. Graphically is not important. So you are there to get a number سيارش. يجي قلت لي example كان من example 21 in exercise about the ellipse. In the ellipse, by the same, we have two variables x and y. Both are square and positive. Both are square and positive. جماعة لقى سيدي كان x square positive, y square positive. So in this shape, a is bigger than b and c. So a square is equal to b square plus c square. So find the elements of this equation. So a bit first step, convert it into standard form ellipse. We have two brackets. Both are square and positive, and the right side is equal to 1, a square for first and b square for second. Now solving x with x and x power 1 with x power 2, y power 1 with y power 2, and number for another side always. Solving 9x power 2 minus 36x plus 25y square plus 150y is equal to negative 36. So must be x square and y square be along and positive. So line 9 factoring with x square minus 4x 25 factoring a beta y square plus 6y is equal to negative 36. The coefficient of x power 1 is 4 divided 2 and power 2 is equal to 2 power 2 is equal to 4. And the coefficient of y power 1 is 6 divided 2 power 2 is equal to 3 power 2 is equal to 9. So at the end for the given equation, so 9 x power 2 minus 4x plus 4 and minus 4 plus 25 y power 2 plus 6y plus 9 and minus 9 is equal to negative 36. So أنا change a Kimbo complete square by the same way for this. So line 9 x power 2 minus 4 is not related, and 25 the bigger bracket and the smaller complete square minus 9 is not related is equal to negative 36. So أما كان بدو bracket بيت x minus 2 by power 2 أما شان بيت y plus 3 by power 2. Now I'm 9 for first and for second, 25 for first and for second. So 9 times this bracket is equal to 9 times x minus 2 by power 2. 9 times 4 minus 4 is equal to negative 36. So I'm a negative 36. I'm 9 times minus 4 is equal to negative 36. Change the side a positive 36. 25 times this bracket is equal to 25y plus 3 by power 2, and 25 times minus 9 is equal to 225y minus change both side a positive 225. I'm doing a cancel 11. So the right side 1 because both sides divided by 225. So line 225, 225, 225. I'm gonna cancel 11 is equal to 1. أمشي يعني بيتا y أما بيتا 1 أما بيتا 9 أمشي يعني x minus 2 by power 2 أما بيتا 1 أما بيتا 25. So it is the horizontal because the denominators of x square is bigger than to the denominator of y square, so it is x-axis. So a square is equal to 25, b square is equal to 9, and c square is equal to a square minus b square. So 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. By taking square root for both, a is equal to positive negative 5, b is equal to positive negative 3, c is equal to positive negative 4. And the elements of the ellipse, first center, we have center is equal to h and k, so يعني 2 and minus 3. And vertices related by a, so it is x-axis, يعني h will be changed by a, k does not change. A is 2, h is 2, and a is equal to positive negative 5, and k is equal to negative 3. And you have the secondary vertices related by b and inverse, so h, k plus minus b. So h is 2, comma k minus 3, b plus minus 3. So, and you have the foci related by c, so h, because it's x-axis, so h will be changed plus minus c, k does not change. H is equal to 2 plus minus c, يعني 4, and k is equal to negative 3. So أما أجر جرافي بودروسكيت أجر ماني جرافي بودروسكين أو كات أبيت يكم جار 2 and minus 3 أما سنترا and 2 plus 5 7 and minus 3 1 2 3 4 5 7 and minus 3 and 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 with minus 3, it is the vertices. And 2 minus 3 plus 3 is 0, 2 0. 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus 4 minus 5 and minus 6. So it is the graph of the ellipse. And for foci, 2 plus 4 6 and minus 3, 6 and minus 3, and 2 minus 4 minus 2 and minus 3. So it is مش graphy ellipse أو circle. And the last one, we have hyperbola. In the hyperbola, we have x and y by the same way. Both are square, but one of them is positive and the other one is negative. So letters by the same, you have two brackets. The first one is positive and the second one is negative. And the right side is always is equal to 1 a square in the denominator of the positive one, and b square is the denominator of the negative one. حزم كر ليرة باسي example 29 اللي ما تكاين دوزينو so line x with x square and y 1 with y square and number 4 another side باش line x square plus 2x minus 9y power 2 minus 54y number for another side. So then x square plus 2x must be x square and y square be alone, but in here y square is not alone, so when negative 9 factor can be y square by positive plus 6y is equal to 81. So sorry, but 2x. Coefficient of x power 1 is 2, divided 2 power 2 is 1. Coefficient of y power 1 is 6, divided 2 power 2 is 3, power 2 is equal to 9. So then x power 2 plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 9, y square plus 6y plus 9 and minus 9, and the right side is equal to 81. So again ئەماکەین بە دوو براکێت بێتە x plus 1 by power 2 number for another side 9 ئەمەش دەکەین بە دوو براکێت so بێتە y plus 3 power 2 is equal to 81 plus 1 so بێتە x plus 1 by power 2 and minus 9 for first and for second minus 9 y plus 3 by power 2 minus 9 times minus 9 is equal to positive 81 چنجی کە بۆ ئەم سایدە بێتە 81 plus 1 minus 81 ئەم 81 و 81 پێکەوە ڕۆن سۆ بێتە x plus 1 by power 2 minus 9 y plus 3 by power 2 is equal to 1 ئەدرێ ئاگدار بن جەماعەت ئەمە جەنراڵی کوژنەکەیە نابێ نەمبەر لێرە هەبێت نابێت نەمبەر لێرە هەبێ بە هیچ شێوەیە کەواتە ئەگەر نەمبەرێک لێرە هەبوو چی لەکەیت ئەبێ بیکەی بە x plus 1 by power 2 طبعا من دیلۆمینێتەرەکەی و is 1 minus y plus 3 by power 2 is equal to 1 ئەم ناینە ئەکەیتە دیلۆمینێتەرێکیتی بە 1 over 9 ئاگدار بن ئەمە important so because x square is positive so it is x-axis يعني is horizontal and the elements the first one is center is equal to h و k يعني negative 1 and negative 3 and we have the vertices related by a so it's x-axis يعني h will be changed by a and k does not change so a square is equal to 1 b square is equal to 1 over 9 and c square is equal to a square plus b square يعني 1 plus 1 over 9 is equal to 9 times 1 9 plus 1 10 over 9 so a is equal to positive negative 1 b is equal to positive negative 1 over 3 and c is equal to positive negative square root 10 over 3 بەو شێوازە ئەتوانن ئلیمنتەکانی بدۆزنەوە و سەرکەوتوو بن